Welcome back, everybody. Does that look a little funny? This orange is listed as Chrysler HEMI Orange by Duplicolor. And while this HEMI Orange by VHT, and that's not the orange can, it's already in the garbage, too far away. But notice the hue difference. I'm gonna step away a little bit. And you can really see, we have like two different colors here. Luckily I have enough that I can make it uniform with a fresh can over here, but I'm out of the VHT, which I had used in the past. And I know you restoration guys are fanatical about the proper color. General hot rodders like myself, whatever, you know. I mean, as long as it isn't blatantly Chevy orange, or, you know, like your engine block is supposed to be blue because of 79 years, they're blue. Isn't Ford blue, where it's pretty blatant. You know, it's just kind of wrong. Just kind of weird. I don't mind the color being off, but this is two different colors. Be aware that the VHT and the engine Duplicolor, the HEMI Orange from Duplicolor, are very different. And this needs to be sprayed straight up and down. I tried it on an angle in the twilight as the sun was going down. I really couldn't see because it was getting dark in here. And if the paint can isn't straight up and down, it's actually like a flat orange. Like, it almost has a powdery type of texture to it, or look, I should say. Other than that, I was, you know, wasting my time with this because I was about to time the engine, make sure it's where I want it to be. And, you know how timing works. So, won't go over that. And I said, let me at least freshen it up and make it orange. So, that's about as far as I've gotten so far. Although I was pretty happy. These are my W2 header flanges. And these are from HEMI, I believe. You old school guys remember this. You new guys probably won't. But yeah, it's a two-piece header flange. 2 gaskets are needed. You need these type of attaching hardware to sit this flange flat on the head. And I decided to use studs. This way I can cut them each to a length that I like rather than a bolt that may be too deep, because as it goes through this flange and tightens up, it could be a pain in the ass. If I put studs on there, then it's just, you know, slide on and that's it. Make the studs nice and short. Also, these bolt holes are not 100% dead on. Most of them are pretty close. That's bad. That's bad. That one's pretty good. This one's off by a little bit. I mean, it's just a shy off. And this one's pretty close. But hey, it'll be easy. It's an easy fix to use this. It's just a matter of either drilling the hole to the next size on this flange to meet the inside hole here. And these are threaded, by the way. Let me see if I can catch a thread for you. Yeah, there you go. Don't worry. The bolts that you use for your header, same thread. 5/16 by 18. Attach. This is a 5/16 by 18 thread count. We have them at Ace Hardware, stainless steel. The stud that I have, here's the stud, 5/16 by 18. So it's like double the header attachment. It's a bit of a pain, but that's all right. You know, that's hot rodding and that's race cars. Also, you notice this inner flange here is a very basic shape. Let me tell you, that will get blued with the gasket in between, and I'll hack that out to a larger size. I wonder if I have a flashlight. I don't see my flashlight around here. Nothing like good prep, huh? Good prep is key. And unfortunately, I just made this on the whim because it kind of, you know, pissed me off about the 2 different oranges. Nothing new there. But yeah, if I had a flashlight, you could see how much of a mismatch that inner flange is versus the port, which, again, prep, I should have had this on the W2 head itself. I'll be porting or carving out the inner flange to at least be a little bit larger than the port as it comes out of the head and into the large tube. So shouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna bring it into the light. Maybe that'll be better for you guys. Maybe not. Maybe it just immediately cast shadows, but you could see the floor of the port kind of hits the bottom of the tube. Not really a huge deal, but up top, yeah, we're gonna make that like a priority to take care of because there's quite. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's quite a bit of carving to be done here on the mall. So that's the next thing that's gonna go on. It will be. Trust me, it'll be a while before I start trying to weld. I really need to brush up on my welding skills. Right now, my son-in-law is probably laughing his ass off at this video going, yeah, Dad, you do. You know, you learn long ago, you don't use it. It's talent that you lose. You know, just like exercising your brain. You don't use your brain, and you forget shit. Other than that, yeah, that's your quick video for the day. So, hey, like, share, and subscribe. If you picked anything up, share it around, spread the knowledge, and everything else is good. So enjoy your weekend. And maybe, if I'm lucky, I'll get my skills brushed up and start making custom headers. Not too crazy about what's on the market. They're all wrong, and there's no good solution. You can break out your slide rulers and abacuses and theoretics and formulas. No such thing as a perfect header. Just make what works. I think I could do better than some of the offerings. Specifically thinking of the firing order. 8 and 4 are too close together. 5 and 7 are too close together. It's a lot of exhaust going down the tubes. Think about it. Until next time.